Hello loves! Welcome to my channel. So this is Lisel from my low carb recipes journey. So today we will unboxing my silver bottom. So it came today and I'm so happy. I cannot explain. Thank you for this and for all my subscribers who always watch my channel. Thank you. This is let's open. I can't I want to thank you for this, giving me chance to have this, and I did not expect this, and thank you so much. Let's open this. I never thought that I can achieve 100,000 subscribers. So I'm so thankful for you guys, and I hope you will never leave me here in my journey. And thank you. No words can explain how I feel right now. But thank you so much. We have it. So this video is also, I have a recipe that I want to share with you, for those, because I learned that most of you want a quick and easy recipe, especially in microwave. And I will put also in my website if you have oven or you don't have oven, I will put everything. So thank you and God bless. Love you all. So happy. This is microwave keto cream cheesecake. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. In a mixing bowl, put 3 large egg, room temperature, 100 grams of cream cheese, and blend all the ingredients until well combined. After you blend it, put the 1/4 cup of sweetener, and 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice, and mix all the ingredients until well combined. Now add 1/2 cup of almond flour and mix it. Now prepare your silicone molder or any microwave safe container. Slightly grease it and put some parchment paper and microwave for 6 to 7 minutes. So let it cool and put some strawberry keto jam on the top of it. So it's up to you if you want blueberry. It should be sugar free, so it will be keto friendly. And just garnish it with powdered sweetener or put some fresh fruits. It's up to you. So this is so creamy and it's so delicious and so easy to make only in microwave. So I hope this recipe will satisfy your cravings into cheesecake. So thank you and God bless. Love you all.